and welcome to Unreal English. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to practice simple daily conversations in English.
And I'm Alex. In this episode, you'll learn how to speak English naturally, morning, afternoon, and evening.
We'll speak slowly, clearly, and use easy English so you can listen, repeat, and understand everything.
Exactly. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you want to learn English the easy way.
Yes, and if you're ready to practice, let's start with our first part, morning conversations. Ooh, good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Thank you. And you?
I slept okay, but I'm still a little sleepy. Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. I love coffee in the morning.
How do you like your coffee?
With a little milk and sugar. How about you?
Black coffee for me. It helps me wake up.
Nice. So, what are your plans today?
I'm going to work at 9. What about you?
I have an online class at 10, but first I'll make breakfast.
What are you making?
Just some eggs and toast, simple and fast.
Sounds good. Let's eat together before we go.
Yes, that's a great idea. Let's talk about this conversation. These are sentences you can use every morning. Let's repeat together slowly. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Would you like some coffee? What are your plans today?
Great job. You can use these with your family, your friends, or even your classmates.
Exactly. Short sentences are easy and natural. Perfect for real life.
If you're watching on YouTube, comment below, what do you eat for breakfast? We'd love to read your answers.
Yes, tell us in the comments. Now, let's move on to part 2, afternoon conversations. Hey, Alex, how's your day going?
Pretty good. I just finished lunch. What about you?
Same here. I had a sandwich and some juice.
Nice. What kind of sandwich?
Cheese and tomato. Simple but tasty.
That sounds great. Do you want to go for a walk later?
Sure, that sounds nice. The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it's sunny and not too hot.
Do you have much work this afternoon?
A little. I have 2 meetings and some emails to write. What about you?
I have to study for my English test, but we can meet after that.
Perfect. Let's meet at 5 p.m. in the park.
Deal. I'll bring some snacks.
Let's look at what we said. In the afternoon, we usually talk about food, work, or plans.
Yes, you can say, "How's your day going?" What did you have for lunch? Do you want to go for a walk?
These are easy sentences that make your English sound natural.
And remember, practice is key. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
Exactly. And now, let's move to the last part of the day, evening conversations.
Good evening, Alex. How was your day?
It was busy, but good. How about yours?
Mine was nice. I finished my homework and went for a walk.
That's great. Are you hungry?
A little. Let's make some dinner.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pasta or soup?
Pasta sounds perfect. I'll help you cook.
Thank you. After dinner, we can watch a movie.
Good idea. What kind of movie do you want to watch?
Maybe a comedy? Something funny and light?
Yes, I love comedies. Let's do it.
Okay. Dinner first, movie after. Sounds like a plan. Let's review this evening conversation. We often use words like dinner, hungry, tired, relax, movie.
Let's practice repeating together. How was your day? Are you hungry? Let's make dinner. Do you want to watch a movie?
Perfect! You can say these at home with your friends or family every night.
And if you're watching this video, comment below. What do you usually do in the evening?
We love reading your answers. Now let's do a short speaking practice. Let's play a quick game. I'll start a sentence, and you finish it.
Ready? Let's go.
Good morning. Did you...
Sleep well?
Nice. Next one. What are your...
Plans today?
Good. How's your...
Day going.
Great job. Last one. Do you want to...
Watch a movie?
Perfect. You're doing amazing.
See? Real conversations can be simple and fun.
Yes. Practice these short sentences every day, morning, afternoon, and evening, and you'll start speaking English confidently.
Thank you for listening to Unreal English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel,
And turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
and don't forget to comment below. Tell us which part of the day is your favorite, morning, afternoon, or evening.
Yes, we read every comment and love hearing from you. Keep practicing every day, and soon English will feel easy and natural.
Thanks for joining us today. See you next time on Unreal English.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day or night wherever you are.